Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to perform routine cleaning or maintenance for the Procolored DTF printer. And let's get to it. Turn on the machine. Feed the machine with a regular copy paper. It can be letter or legal size. Align it for printing using the buttons on the left side of the machine. Now let's go to the computer and open the Procolored software. Click on the arrow at the top right corner of the screen. Now right click on the gray area. Click on Printing Preferences. Click on Maintenance. Make sure the machine is on, and here you're going to click on Head Cleaning. Click on Start and let's go to the machine. This process is going to take some time. It will be done when the green light turns solid. And the light is solid. It already finished with the head cleaning. Let's go back to the computer, and here we're going to click on Print Nozzle Check Pattern. Click on Print and let's go back to the machine. And here is the printing. We're looking for solid lines. If they are intermittent, we will have to repeat the previous step. First column is the yellow, the second one is the black. The two in the middle are the white ones. We won't be able to see them because of the color of the paper. But if you wish to check these lines, you will need to use a dark printing paper. And the last two colors are the magenta and cyan. Again, if the lines are solid, click on Finish. If the lines are intermittent, click on Clean. The lines on my printing are solid, so I'm going to click on Finish. Now I'm going to move to the second part of this cleaning. For this, we're going to need alcohol or print head protective solution, large cotton swabs, small container, and paper towel. Now press the ink indicator button to move the ink cart to the center. When in the center, turn off the machine. Now you will be able to move the cart. Moisten a paper towel with alcohol. Next, we're going to clean the encode stripe and the ink cart belt. Let's clean this area. Next, we're going to clean under the ink cart. For that, we're going to need a large cotton swab moistened with alcohol or the solution. Next, we're going to clean the excess of ink from the ink pump. Clean it using a large cotton swab and alcohol or print head solution. When finished with the cleaning, pour some cleaning solution on the ink pump. And at last, we're going to clean the waste tube and container. We're going to use a syringe. Try to extract all the ink from that tube. If you wish, you can wear gloves for this process. It can be messy. Empty the waste ink from the container and wash it off if you wish. And we're done with the cleaning. Now you can turn on the machine. Wait for the green light to turn solid before using the machine. Or you can turn it off if you wish, but remember to turn it off on the front and then on the back. Before turning off my machine, I'm going to print a design to show you how we print after the cleaning. I like to perform this cleaning at the end of the day when I'm finished with all the printing. Like that, the machine will be clean overnight and ready for the next day printings. If you are going on vacation and not going to be using your machine for a long time, the process will be different. Stay tuned for my next tutorial. And here is my printing. It is a good quality printing. I'm going to show you the printing before the cleaning, and as you can see, the white ink is faded on the top, but the new printing is perfect. Now I'm just going to apply the DTF powder and cure it in the oven to show you the final result. And here is the printing. Let's see. Look, the colors are very vivid and bright. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.